This is Piper. She's eating her first meal. She wasn't so excited about it in the beginning, but I think she's kind of getting a little more into it. You want to try? We got a little oatmeal with some formula. Well, that looks pretty good. You're much happier about it. In a few days, we're going to try some green beans mixed with a little bit of oatmeal. Not something I think sounds good, but something you might like. Yes. Ooh, so delicious. What do you think? Oh, there's a smile. Oh, it's just different. It's just different, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, good. This is going over quite well. You have to say, I think you like it better than Tanner did his first time. Hi. Speaking of, where's Tanner? I hear him upstairs. He's into mischief. Daddy's on a work trip, which we're all sad about. Yes, we miss him. You want to try a few more bites? See, I just want to kind of get that one down. All right, well, we'll do a couple more. Okay, well, say goodbye. Can you give a smile? Say bye-bye. Oh, there's that tongue. I love it. Okay, bye-bye.